Exactly how to find the best suppliers on AliExpress when you want to test a product for your dropship store. Now let's just say we found this product as we were going for our ad spy tool, which is a long cat pillow basically. I would just go to AliExpress and type in that keyword, long cat pillow, and then filter by orders to see the best suppliers. Now sometimes when you filter by orders, it actually brings in loads of irrelevant listings, so you can keep it as best match and you can find loads of listings like this one here. Now let's just say we couldn't find this product as we were doing the keyword search on AliExpress. All we need to do is just go to your AliExpress account and then click over here, Dropship Center. Now essentially when you click on Dropship Center, you can actually do reverse image searches to find the product by clicking here. So just upload an image of whatever product you want to find on AliExpress and then do a reverse image search and you'll quickly find loads of listings that you wouldn't have previously found just by using the keyword search. Now what we really want to look for is a combination of a good price and also good reviews. Now we can see this particular store has been around on AliExpress since 2012, which means they're pretty established. You can see the ratings are all above average and they also have 1,500 followers, so it's a pretty big store. Now we see this other listing here, even though the price is a bit cheaper, if you check their store feedback, it's actually below average and they've only been around for less than a year. So it's less likely that this is a legit company and you're more likely to have issues with this company at scale than you are with the original one. And eventually, when you get to decent scale and have some consistent momentum, which in my opinion is about 10 to 20 orders a day, you can eventually start using an agent. Basically, what these agents will do is they'll bulk buy the stock on behalf of you, and then they'll dropship for you at usually a slightly cheaper price, and sometimes they also have access to faster shipping lines, so you can make sure your customer has a better experience as well. If you guys want to use one of my agents and you're already doing decent volume, just shoot me a DM on Instagram and follow my account, and I'll make sure to send it over to you. And also make sure to follow for more practical e-com vids just like this.